All right, this is a dollar 10-year yield update, and basically why I think the melt up has not even started yet. I don't want to get everybody FOMOing in, but I think that it's pretty crazy because going back to this area right here, we were in August, and I was calling for a market correction based on the dollar, based on the overall charts and the indexes. We never got that. And I got exactly what I wanted. I said the dollar was going to go higher. I said 106 minimum. Got exactly what I wanted. And what happened? The market kept on going higher. So it's pretty insane that that happened and there was no pullback in the market, really. Does that mean we're going to get a pullback in the near future? Well, at this point, we're already in the spot where I'm expecting this to pull back now. And I'm expecting a lower dollar. So that's why, for how insane this move is and no pullback in the market, I can see the melt up hasn't even started yet, which is insane. So let's go over this. We have A down, then we have A, B, C, like that. This is the overall A wave. We're working on the B wave. It's probably close to finishing. So A, B, I'm looking for the C wave down here. Based on where we're at today, let's figure out exactly where this could go. Let's just say today is the top. I'm not really going to go in on the smaller wave, smaller time frame. Kind of pointless on the dollar. But I'm looking for, based on today's price on the dollar, I'm looking for a minimum of 95 on the dollar. And this is a 6-month demand zone. So that just tells you right now, 12 points in the dollar falling, potentially more. It could go all the way down to anywhere from 95 to 93 is my target. So we went up in the dollar. We didn't fall in the market. What do you think is going to happen when the dollar goes down to 93, 95? If the dollar gets weaker, that usually means the market goes up. So now if we go to the 10-year yield, we already have growth stocks exploding and yields are going higher. What's going to happen to growth stocks when the yields come down here to 2 to 3%? You have gaps all around here between 2.32 and 3.18. So this just tells you that something crazy is about to happen with respect to growth stocks. I mean, still, like, I think that tech stocks might be a little bit weaker than they have been the last couple of years. And I think IWM is going to be the place to be. Growth stocks over the next year are going to go crazy. I missed this move too because, again, the dollar went higher. I got what I wanted. And then IWM went higher. It doesn't make any sense, right? But I think that this could go up to a maximum of 314 bucks. That is the 1.61 fib. I still think this is a corrective move right here. Or 318 bucks. I still think this is a corrective move. I already have it drawn out for you. I think this is what's going to happen. We're going to melt up here into 2025, probably all the way through 2025, and then sell off hard and a market crash. And this could go all the way down to, if it goes all the way to 318, it could go all the way down to 110. It could lose 66% pretty quickly. And that's going back to the dollar. What's going to happen, according to the chart, is that we're going to see the dollar lower here. And then we're going to see this play out right here. I have this as WX. I have this as A, B, C, like that. We're going to get a dollar up here around, let's say we go to 95 on the dollar. Or actually, that doesn't really matter. I think we're going to go all the way up here to 130 on the dollar. So this right here is just A, B, C, like that. And then that's going to crash growth stocks. That's going to crash everything pretty much. Going to be a massive crash in the market. But right now, I think this is the perfect time. Although we've been going up, I think it's a great time to still be in growth stocks over the next year or so while this is happening. I don't expect this to end until probably the end of 2025. We'll have to follow the dollar and see how long this takes to get down here to 93, 95. Once the dollar gets in this area, I'll probably look at where the indexes are at, and I'll probably sell a lot of my stuff. So when I do SoFi videos, when I do all these growth stock videos, and I say they could go to 40 bucks, I'm not exaggerating based on what I see on the dollar chart, on the yield chart. But after we get here, I don't know what's going to happen to them. They could go back. They could lose 50% of their value, whatever. So anyway, that's how the dollar and the 10-year yield are looking over the next year, how IWM is probably going to outperform the NASDAQ and S&P. And we'll see how it goes. This could start at any time. It's already hit the minimum target. It could keep on going up here to 112 too. So we'll see where it ends. But I do expect a pullback maybe in like February or March. But I'm expecting this run up to keep on going till at least the end of December. So that's it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. Let me know what you think. Do you think that we are going to have a market melt up all the way through 2025?